what is the perfect height to mount a TV on a pillar? So what height do you want it really on? Some people mount it high and then they tilt it down. That's also fine. Personally, what I do is I would measure my, after sitting down on my couch, I'm going to measure my eye level, right? I'm going to measure my eye level. Usually I'm 6 feet, my eye level is at 54 inches. Usually from 44 inches to 54 inches is going to be your eye level. So, measure from the bottom and make sure your TV is centered, right? Not the top or the bottom. Which part of the TV can be a confusing thing. Okay, you say if you're 44 to 54 inches, which part of the TV are you measuring? So the center of the TV. So that is good, so that when you're watching TV, you're not having fatigue to your neck. But remember that what I mentioned is when it comes to you're watching from your couch. If you're watching from your bed, now you're lying on your head on your pillow, so you want to mount it higher, so that when you watch up, you're not like putting your head down, right? So in a bedroom, then definitely you want to get that view accordingly. The benefit of the pillar mount is basically you can move the mount easily. If you don't like it, you can remove it and then you put it back to whatever height you want.